You Need a Budget, or YNAB, is a software available on the web and as an app which can be downloaded on both the iPhone and Android. This software is considered FinTech, a digital product that supports financial goals. YNAB can be tried for free for 34 days. After the trial, a yearly subscription is available for $84. YNAB supports budgeting goals by using its 4-rule system. The 4 rules and other budgeting resources can be found in the Help Center. The Help Center is available on all platforms. To get started, use the Accounts button at the bottom. This allows users to link to their bank. This allows automatic tracking of spending. Users may also use the Unlinked option to manually add the information of an account. After all of the accounts have been added, the budget can be considered set. The next task is to give every dollar a job. This is rule number 1 in their method. For more information about You Need a Budget or other FinTech products, please reach out. Send us a message, check out our other videos, and visit us at our website, bridgingapps.org.